I'm going to show you how to add fingerprints as a security password to log into your phone and whatnot on your LG Stylo 5. Now take note that the fingerprint scanner is actually on the back. It's not anywhere on the screen. Anyways, first thing you got to do is go into settings. So what you can do is from your main screen here, you can just swipe to the right and just look for settings icon right there. Tap on that. And now you want to make sure you tap on general all the way on the right hand side. Tap on general. And now go ahead and first one up here says lock screen and security. Go ahead and tap on that. And then if you go ahead and look under biometrics right here, here's fingerprints here. Below it, take note that there is face recognition as well. Anyways, we're only going to do fingerprints. So fingerprints right here. Tap on that. And then once you're here, go ahead and tap on next. Now you will have to input your password or PIN or swipe code, whatever security code you made when you first got your phone. If you didn't make one, it's going to ask you to make one now, just in case if your fingerprints don't work or whatnot, or you don't want to use your fingerprints, then you're able to use your PIN or your actual password, okay? So now what I'm going to do is go ahead, and you can do multiple fingers, but I'm just going to do one finger here. I'm just going to tap it just on the back right there. I'm just going to go ahead and tap it. Vibrates, back up, vibrates, back up, vibrates, vibrates. I'm going to keep doing this. You can see I just keep doing this. I can feel it vibrate. Okay. Now I have to lift and put it on the sides of my finger, okay? So what I'm doing is, okay, fingertips now. With the fingertips, obviously you just pop your fingertips on there. And now it's complete. It's successful, okay? You can go ahead and add more fingerprints if you wish, or if you're just done with that, just go ahead and click on OK. Even later on in later time, you can always go back here under fingerprint one. You can go ahead and add like another finger or another finger on another hand or whatnot. And then if I go ahead and lock my phone here, we can see that I'm locked, but now I can go ahead and just use my finger right here. It's logged in. Pretty simple.